Winter hits, and something strange happens. Most people slow down, drift off, and wait for a fresh start that never truly comes. But you are not most people. This winter can become the season that changes everything if you choose to use it. Consider this your blueprint for self-mastery, the one your future self will thank you for. Chapter 1. Understanding Winter. Most people see winter as a slump. They think the darkness, the cold, and the quiet are obstacles. But what if those things are the advantage? Think about it. Fewer social distractions, slower schedules, shorter days, more silence. While the world complains, you get access to something rare, a hidden environment where growth becomes easier because no one is watching. This is your chance to disappear for a few months and return unrecognizable. Most people waste winter. They delay improvement and call it planning. They say they will start on January 1st, but that usually means they are avoiding change now. Winter exposes who has self-control. It reveals who is serious about growth and who is pretending. But you are here because you do not want to be part of that cycle. You want to use the quiet season as your training arc. So let's build it. Chapter 2. Morning Domination. If you want winter to work for you, you must own your mornings. Pick one wake-up time and one bedtime, then stick to them with precision. That structure becomes your anchor. Each morning, write 3 simple lines. Gratitude to keep you grounded, a priority to keep you locked in, and a non-negotiable that makes you sharper. You do not need an extreme morning routine. You just need consistency and 10 focused minutes. Replace your early phone scrolling with small progress. A walk, a moment of sunlight, a few push-ups, or a few pages of reading. Small wins stack fast in winter. Chapter 3. Body Rebuild. Your body is the hardware that runs your mind, your discipline, and every goal you set. Move every single day. No breaks from being alive. It can be lifts, long cold walks, or simple calisthenics. Treat food like fuel. Keep it high protein and minimize junk so your energy stays clean. Add a bit of intentional discomfort, like cold showers or even a quick cold face plunge. You are training your nervous system to stop running from challenge. Start small and build up. Track your progress weekly so you can see the proof. When you see progress, you stay consistent. Chapter 4. Mental Strength. Your mind can coach you or trap you. Most people let algorithms control their thoughts. Do not be one of them. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day on meditation or breath work. Spend 20 minutes reading things that expand you. And journal with intention, not complaint. The real superpower this winter is attention. Being able to sit still and stay focused while the world scrolls endlessly. If you master your attention, you master your life. Chapter 5. Skills create leverage. Every winter should leave you with something real to show for it. Pick one skill that moves your future forward. Not 10, just one. It could be editing, coding, design, research, or understanding AI tools. Commit 1 to 2 hours a day without distractions. Learn, practice, produce. Make small projects. Share your progress, fail, adjust, and keep going. By March, you want proof of work, something that shows you are becoming a creator, not just a consumer. Chapter 6. Execution and Momentum. Winter is not for dreaming about next year. It is for building momentum now, so that January is just another chapter, not a beginning. Start something small, a project, a side idea, or a passion build. It does not need to be polished. It only needs movement. At the end of each month, review your scoreboard. What worked, what failed, and what micro upgrade you can implement next. Do this consistently, and by March, you will not have resolutions, you will have results. Here's what this winter arc looks like in real life. You wake up on time without hitting snooze. You step outside for a few minutes of cold air and sunlight. You train your body. You fuel yourself cleanly. You learn something. You build something. You read instead of scrolling. You rest intentionally instead of hiding from your tasks. 2 weeks in, your energy shifts. 4 weeks in, people notice. 2 months in, you notice. 3 months in, you do not feel like you are trying to improve any longer. You are simply living in alignment. And then something changes inside you. You stop chasing motivation because you become addicted to your own evolution. That is the magic of winter. It removes the noise so you can hear yourself again. It shows you who you are becoming. So the real question is simple. Who will you be by March? You can stay comfortable like everyone else, or you can step into the cold and forge a stronger, sharper version of yourself. While the world sleeps this winter, you will be awake. And when they ask what changed, you will have one quiet answer: winter. Let's wrap this up. If you want simple, real guidance you can use during your winter arc, there is something built just for you. It is a newsletter called The Average. It is made for everyday people who want more from life, not gurus or prodigies, just real people trying to grow a little every day. Inside, you will find practical insights about money, business, career growth, AI, mindset, and productivity, explained in a clear and simple way. No jargon, no gatekeeping, no ego. Just useful ideas you can actually apply. If you want a place where growth feels encouraging, not overwhelming, you will feel right at home. The Average is where everyday people grow together. You can find the link in the description below. See you in the next video.